Welcome back to Money First School, where we dive deep into the world of finance and business to uncover valuable insights and tips. In this video, we're exploring the fascinating realm of cash, its significance, evolution, and impact on the global economy. Whether you're a seasoned finance professional or a budding entrepreneur, this tutorial is your ultimate guide to understanding the intricacies of cash. Discover why cash remains a fundamental aspect of modern economies and financial transactions. From its role as a medium of exchange to its function as a store of value, cash plays a crucial role in facilitating economic activity worldwide. Journey through history as we explore the origins of cash and its evolution over time. From ancient forms of currency, such as shells and beads, to the emergence of coins and paper money, learn how cash has transformed and adapted to meet the changing needs of societies. Explore the intricacies of modern cash systems, including central banking, monetary policy, and the issuance of currency. Gain insights into the role of governments and financial institutions in managing cash supply and circulation. Examine the impact of technology on cash transactions and the rise of digital payment methods. From mobile wallets to cryptocurrencies, discover how innovations in fintech are reshaping the way we perceive and utilize cash. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the history and significance of cash in the global economy. Learn valuable insights and strategies for managing cash effectively in personal and business finance. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in cash-related technologies and innovations. Don't miss out on future tutorials and insights. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest content from Money First School. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the secrets of cash. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with your peers in the finance and business community. Together, let's continue to empower ourselves with knowledge and insights to thrive in today's dynamic economic landscape.